Welcome to the Nasaru Technology channel. A special shout out to all our subscribers. Thank you for your continued support. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest videos. In Microsoft Dynamics 365 supply chain management, product information serves as a foundational pillar for efficient supply chain operations by ensuring that all stakeholders have access to accurate and consistent data about products. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through configuring and managing products and inventory in Microsoft Dynamics 365 supply chain management. We'll cover everything from setting up product details to handling inventory dimensions and tracking product movement across your supply chain. Product information is central to efficient supply chain management. It ensures all stakeholders have access to accurate and consistent data about products. Let's use an example of a manufacturing company that produces and distributes ergonomic office chairs. Example product details for ergonomic office chair. Product name, ergonomic office chair. Product number, EOC 123. The category will be like office furniture. Attributes will be adjustable height, mesh back, and color options will be like black, blue, gray. You can also define dimensions, weight, height, width, and the unit of measure. The product is tracked so it can be active, in development, or discontinued. Bills of materials or BOM and formulas define how the chair is assembled. Version control ensures updates are managed, for example, while introducing a new material. This product can be in supply chain integration. In procurement, vendors can see clear specifications for materials like mesh fabric or steel for the frame. In production, manufacturing teams rely on accurate bill of material BOM to assemble the chair. In warehousing, inventory is tracked using product identifiers, batch numbers, and serial numbers. In sales and distribution, customers and resellers view the correct product catalog, pricing, and availability. For the compliance and quality department, regulatory information like safety certifications, ISO 9001 is attached. Quality checks ensure consistency and traceability. For analytics and insights, real-time data on product performance can see sales trends or returns. So in D365, all of this information is centralized and accessible across modules, making product information the backbone for procurement, production, distribution, and customer satisfaction. Let us know the storage dimensions. Before you create or purchase products, it's essential to understand whether the items will be stocked or non-stocked like services. Stocked items are stored in warehouses, so defining the correct inventory dimensions is crucial. Inventory dimensions in D365 supply chain management are categorized into product dimensions, storage dimensions, and tracking dimensions. Before a product is created or bought from a vendor, you need to know if it will be a stocked item or a non-stocked item like a service. The type and number of inventory dimensions that you create must be a realistic reflection of how you categorize, or treat, each inventory item in your company. Inventory dimensions are categorized into three main types: product dimension, storage dimension, and tracking dimension. Let us see the product dimensions. These define the physical attributes of inventory items. In supply chain management, the available product dimensions include configuration, size, style, color. A typical example is a company that sells t-shirts and uses product dimensions to define the characteristics of their inventory items. The configuration attributes will be short sleeve, long sleeve, to differentiate between variations in sleeve length. The second option will be using the size like small t-shirts, medium, large, extra large, in order to categorize products by size for customer fit. Another dimension will be the style with the options like classic, V-neck, graphic print, etc. in order to represent design variations of the t-shirts. The last dimension that is going to be used is the colors, red, blue, black, white t-shirts, in order to identify the t-shirts by color for customer preference. You may now get this kind of SKU or stock keeping unit format in your system. SKU 1 will be a t-shirt's classic red, small, short sleeve, classic, red. SKU 2 will be a t-shirt large, long sleeve, V-neck, blue. SKU 3 will be a t-shirt graphic print white, which is medium, short sleeve, graphic print, white. So this was about product dimension. Let us know the storage dimension. A storage dimension helps manage how items are stored and retrieved from inventory. By leveraging storage dimensions, companies can maintain detailed control over inventory organization and accessibility. Example: beverage warehouse management. A beverage company uses storage dimensions in D365 to manage inventory across multiple warehouses and storage locations. The storage dimensions will be like: site. A site is a place where your warehouses are physically located. Example: East Warehouse, West Warehouse. As I said earlier, this is required to specify the geographical site where the inventory is stored. A warehouse. The mainly purpose of the warehouse is to differentiate between storage facilities within a site based on temperature requirements. Example will be like you want to store your beverage in a cold storage and others in a dry storage. In your site of East Warehouse, you can have two warehouses, one that store cold beverages and another one that stores dry beverages. Then comes the notion of a location in the warehouse. Examples are Aisle 1, Aisle 2, Shelf B. The purpose is to define precise physical storage areas within a warehouse. Another storage dimension will be a pallet ID. You got the option of creating pallet 1, pallet 2, pallet 3. The purpose is to track inventory stored on specific pallets for easier identification and movement. Another interesting storage dimension will be the license plate to provide a unique identifier for a container or package within the warehouse. Let me provide an example of an inventory record using storage dimensions. Let us take a product that is a 500 milliliter bottle of water. The storage dimensions are: the site is East Warehouse, the warehouse is cold storage, the location is Aisle 2, Shelf B, pallet ID, PLT 1001, license plate, LP 123456. The quantity is 500 units. Let us know the tracking dimension. Serial numbers and batch numbers enable precise tracking of products throughout the supply chain. This capability ensures traceability and enhances inventory management. Example: a pharmaceutical company uses tracking dimensions in D365 to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and maintain traceability for their products. Tracking dimensions will be like this: a batch number to identify a specific production batch of a product. This is particularly important for managing expiration dates or recalling specific batches if necessary. A serial number to uniquely identify an individual item within the batch. Useful for high-value products or ensuring accurate warranty tracking. So what about packing and storage dimensions? Organizations pack and store products in different ways. Therefore, you need to set up different physical dimensions to support your processes. With the Packaging Product Dimensions feature, you can set up several dimensions for products. The following dimensions are available. Storage. Use storage dimensions along with location volumetrics to determine how many items you can store in various warehouse locations. This dimension is the available default dimension without turning on the Packaging Product Dimension feature. When packing and/or nested packing isn't specified on a product, you can set up the storage dimensions by going to Released Products, Manage Inventory tab, Physical Dimensions. Packing. Use packing dimensions during containerization and the manual packing process to determine how many items fit in various container types. To set up the packing and nested packing dimensions, follow these steps. Go to Released Products, Manage Inventory tab, Physical Product Dimensions. Select the physical dimension type. Enter the product dimensions. Physical unit, weight unit, depth, height, width, length unit, volume unit. The system calculates the volume. When you try to put a product in an area that doesn't fit, the system sends an error stating that the product won't fit in the area based on your dimensions. Version Product Dimension. Version is a product dimension that helps you maintain and track multiple versions of a product throughout the supply chain. Version tracking behaves similarly to other product dimensions like size, style, color, and configuration. Therefore, you can use it for purposes other than tracking product versions. Turn on the version product dimension by going to System Administration, Setup, License Configuration, Configuration Keys, Trade, Product Dimension, Version. When you turn on Product Dimension, Version, you can find it by going to Product Information Management, Setup, Dimension and Variant Groups of Versions. That is for today. In our next video we will practice in D365 by creating a new product. Subscribe and like this video so that you get notified when a new video is released. Thanks.